Go.
Tonight, a Sunnyvale business owner reflects on a terrifying accident when a car crashed into his store over the weekend, almost claiming his life. He tells Crown 4's Philippe Jagol that he is lucky to be alive.
I'm alive, number one. That's the big thing.
And despite the more than $30,000 in damages to his store, Ron Denman says being alive is also the most important thing.
We were really so fortunate that none of our customers were standing in the doorway. Our grandson wasn't running around here like he is often. Nobody. And that would have been a very difficult thing to, other than dying myself, that would have been a terrible thing to have to deal with.
Customers who paid for their water before the crash have been filling up since Monday. But Denman says the business won't start taking new orders until next week. This while he recovers from cuts on his arm from broken glass and swelling on his legs and waist. But amazingly, no broken bones.
He hit my desk with the front of his car, and that slammed into my body. And the thing that saved me was the chair I was in was on wheels. So instead of me just collapsing over backwards, I slid back until I hit the wall and then dropped down, and that's when his bumper hit my thigh. So I consider us lucky.
Denman's wife, Lynn Din, was also inside when a 42-year-old man barreled into the store. She was not injured, but at the time thought Ron was killed.
All she could see from the back was just the top of my head. So yeah, it was scary.
The day after the crash, Denman says the driver called and apologized. Ron accepted, saying he's just happy it wasn't worse.
But the thing I learned, I'm moving my desk to the back. Okay?
I got you. In Sunnyvale, Philippe Jagol, Crown 4 News.
A developing story, the United States getting drawn back into